In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve quickly using Microsoft Excel. Whether you're a beginner or someone with some experience looking to enhance your skills, this guide will help you become proficient in Excel in no time. We'll go through some essential shortcuts, explore core functions and tools, and I'll share with you a strategy to practice consistently. Let's start with some key shortcuts. Understanding and using shortcuts can significantly improve your efficiency when working in Excel. For example, using Control combined with the arrow keys allows you to swiftly navigate through large datasets. This is particularly helpful when you're dealing with extensive spreadsheets, as it helps you jump quickly to specific data points without having to scroll endlessly. Additionally, familiarizing yourself with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and Ctrl+Z can be a real game changer. These shortcuts let you copy, paste, and undo actions quickly, making your workflow much smoother. Another handy shortcut is Alt followed by the equal sign, which lets you calculate sums swiftly. This is great for quickly adding up lists of numbers without having to individually click and sum each one. Next, let's delve into mastering some core functions and tools. Excel has a lot to offer, but starting with the basics can lay a solid foundation. Functions like sum, average, and count are fundamental and often used in day-to-day tasks. As you grow more comfortable with these, it's time to level up your skills by exploring pivot tables, which are incredibly powerful for summarizing and analyzing your data. Also, learning how to use COUNTIF and SUMIF functions can enhance your ability to perform calculations based on specific conditions. Conditional formatting is another useful tool which brings visual distinction to your data by highlighting cells that meet certain criteria and can really help in making your data more comprehensible. Finally, practice is the key to mastery. Like any other skill, the more you practice Excel, the better you'll get. A practical approach is to watch Excel tutorial series, such as Excel Basics. These tutorials are designed to walk you through Excel's features step by step and help solidify your understanding. Try to make it a habit to practice every day, even if it's just for 25 minutes. Consistent practice over time will build your confidence and improve your ability to handle more complex tasks in Excel. So there you have it. By incorporating these shortcuts into your routine, mastering essential functions and tools, and committing to consistent practice, you'll see remarkable improvements in your proficiency with Microsoft Excel. Remember, the journey to becoming skilled at Excel doesn't happen overnight, but with these strategies, you're setting yourself up for success. Thanks for watching, and happy Excel learning!